So that's it. Nothing more, nothing less.
What a great day to be alive!
Beautiful blue tone. Welcome back to Fourier Chat. This flavor is a really special one. 1960 Wartburg 311 Coupe edition. Like flavor. So really special, seldom car, but also pretty rough. Let's see and dig in what we are working with and what are for details missing and very special, and how to smell this inside. So let's see. So 1960, beautiful. Special big Hornage, very old square battery, probably 6 voltage original. We have something for the air and the cooling system. Bone dry should be the reason, because it's getting old. Beautiful old license plate. I like that. Double shining stuff in the front. Look at this. Yeah. Don't know what it is, but it's maybe some special flick-flack coat. The 4th one, Nature Edition. If you paint a car, don't hesitate to do something with cover stuff. It's all rubbish. You just can the whole way. Much easier, and you save some time. Colors just everywhere. So this might be was in this position, and this one is the only original flavor one. Great. We have a belt, and pretty straight one. Okay. But tires have some wind in there. Beautiful. Some weight reduction. Perfect. Hello? Hello? I guess that's just dirt, I hope. Sealing of the window. Beautiful condition. And look what the nature is doing. Something special to the color. Lights. And now we're coming closer to the interior. Looking totally original. Give you some of that. Look at this. Interior is immaculate. I like that. Original floor mats. I try it, but don't judge me. This one is bad. I don't know. Something was in here for a long time. Look at this. Maybe it's living behind. Wow, it's nice. Alright. Instrument cluster. Some FM and PM and CD and MP3, you name it. And what's in here? What's that? A boom boom generator, or what is it? I don't know. Leave it in there. Pretend to don't look at it. closage. I like the interior, to be honest. It's a two-tone. Great combination. Missing the center cap, but got mirror ridge. That's a plus. Got visor ridge. That's a second plus. And let's see what's in the back. Temperature. Alrighty, tidy. But to be honest, the seats are pretty stunning. And the door pans. And so on and so on. Look at this. We got spare parts. Okay. Original here. Original over there. A lot of things are pretty original. That's a big plus, I would say. That's a big plus. Looks like Citroën creator automobile, wasn't it? Okay, so the thing is, usually you have a plan, but I don't have one, as always. Let's start first and probably dig out the interior and let some smell going away. Alright? But first of all, I have to quit the video because I have another appointment, so the interior will start in the next footage. And I have to say, thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe and share all the footage. Please bloop it down what you think with this kind of beauty. What is a special flavor for you? What was it original if you already saw the original details on it? So color combination, something like that. And how many were built? So bleep bloop it down and see you next time on the four-wheeler chat, alright, fellas? But I have to grab the license plate first. See you next.